Fan speed malfunction. Malfunction conditions. When indoor or outdoor fan speed remains too low for certain time, the unit will stop and the LED will display the failure. This failure may be caused by wiring mistake, faulty fan assembly, faulty fan motor, and faulty PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Power off, then restart the unit 2 minutes later. If the error still exists, shut off the power supply. Check the fan assembly. Rotate the fan blower by hand. Check whether the fan is blocked or rotating abnormally. Whether the screws which fix the fan have been tightened. If the fan works normally, check the wiring of fan motor according to the wiring diagram. Before unplugging the wire to motor, ensure power off for 2 minutes to avoid the motor damage. Power on. When the unit is in standby mode, measure the voltage of pin 1 to pin 3, pin 4 to pin 3 in fan motor connectors. If the value of the voltage is not in the range shown in the table, replace the PCB. If the value is normal, replace the fan motor. If the error still exists, replace the main PCB.